Hello friends, welcome to Smartphone Key channel. I showed this video of Sudoku solved and you can also learn by watching it. I am telling about something Sudoku. The aim of the Sudoku puzzle, also known as number place in the United States, is to enter a numeral from 1 through 9 in each cell of a grid. Most frequently a 9 into 9 grid made of 3 into 3 subgrid starting with various numerals given in the sum of the cells. Each row, column and region must contain only one instance of each numeral.